Hey, guys.
What's up, G?
Want to go to Chachki's? Get some coffee?
Oh, it's a little early.
I gotta get out of here. I think I'm gonna lose it.
Uh-oh. Sounds like somebody's got a case of the Mondays.
Oh, hey, what's going on, Goblin Brigade? Spooky Goblin here, man. And I tell you, we have all been here at one time or another. And it is Monday morning, you try to rush off to work, you try to get your kids out the door before they get a referral at the office, and you still want that caffeine, man. So what do we wind up doing? Hitting that Starbucks drive-thru or the Dunkin' Donuts drive-thru to get the old beloved caffeine in our system to get our day started. You know, coffee by itself isn't bad. When you run into the issues is when you start getting those high sugar, high calorie frappuccinos, mochachinos, extra weight machinos, and all the other machinos and cons that these places offer, dude. You are going to start adding calories and sugar and all kinds of other unnecessary stuff to your diet. Well, in today's video, I have the answer for you. Old Spooky here has put together his very own Goblin Frappuccino. It's going to be lower in calories, higher in protein. It's going to be delicious. It's going to be anabolic, because that's how we do around here. So thank you guys so much for coming by the kitchen today. If you get any value out of this, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell down there and do all that good stuff. And let's get into this video, guys. Let's go back to the kitchen. Let's talk about it.
Make sure you do that from now on. That would be great.
When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing.
Okay, guys, this is pretty simple. First thing you're going to need is your bread coffee. And I got about 5 grams of a sweetener. I use stevia. This is 16 grams of whey protein. I got about 20 grams of maple syrup, sugar-free. And I got sugar-free creamer too, man. It's really that easy. I put everything in my Ninja blender, but you could use whatever blender you want. Then you just set your settings on your blender. Use the smoothie setting right there. Hit the start button, man, and watch the magic happen, y'all. It's really that easy. There's nothing to this recipe for real. You can, like I said, you could use whatever blender you like. Okay, guys, after you've let it blend for about 90 to 100 seconds, you can see how nice and thick it's getting. Once it gets to the consistency you want, all you gotta do is hit the stop button. It's usually about a minute and a half or so. It's not that long for real. Then I have a glass of ice sitting over here at the table. You just gonna gently pour it over your glass of ice, like so. Nice little shot down inside the blender. Try not to overfill your glass. Watch these pour skills. Oh, I should have been the bartender. Look at that. See how thick and creamy that is, y'all? And there's far less calories in this drink as well, so. And just to make it even more special, you can always top it off with your favorite brand of whipped cream, guys. I just got good old-fashioned regular whipped cream right on top there. It's really that easy, y'all. Look how pretty that is. I mean, come on now. You didn't even have to wait in line for that. How about that? Who would have thought? Your very own Starbucks drink. Okay, Brigade, you guys just saw how easy this was to make. And just check that out there, man. Got that nice little foam on the top. That little two-tone effect. Two-tone. This goes to show you, man, this extra 5 minutes to the kitchen, whipping up your own drinks like this instead of going through that Starbucks drive-thru and wasting all that money and all those calories. You can have your very own at-home drink for cheaper, it tastes just as good, and for far less calories too. Now in this whole thing, right here, right now, there's 93 calories, 1 gram of fat, 7 carbs, and 14 grams of protein, guys. That is true magic. Try not to have that case of the Mondays. And I will see you guys later. Salute!
We rise up